The original Radius Rasp has a white handle and a concave, perforated blade that shaves the edge of the hoof wall, creating the protective arc of the Mustang roll. Now there is a second type of wall-rounding Radius Rasp blade, one with more traditional pointed rasp teeth. Both these blades are replaceable and made of polished stainless steel that will not rust. The new black-handled Radius Rasp is called the Professional, or Pro, because it is designed to speed up the wall-rounding process. The Pro has the same easy grip handle as the white original, with finger grooves on the side and the front that give you precise, steady control as you drive it forward with the heel and palm of your hand. The tough stainless steel blade of the Pro will last many times longer than standard hoof rasps. Like the white original, the curvature of the Pro blade has been carefully designed to enable you to round the entire arc of the outer edge of the hoof wall. The Pro is designed to begin the rounding of the hoof by coarsely removing the sharp edge of the wall. This preparation makes the smooth shaving action of the white original even more effective. Combining both Radius Rasps with the Hoof Buffer Contour Sander creates an exceptionally efficient three-step process for rounding and smoothing the outer aspect of the hoof's bearing surface. Like the white original, the Black Pro works equally well in your right hand, your left hand, and both hands. Here you can see the Pro in action, beginning the rounding of the hoof wall after it has been trimmed with nippers and a flat hoof rasp. With rapid gliding strokes, the Pro quickly shapes the initial arc, roughly rounding off the outer one-third or so of the hoof wall, here visible as the darker outer portion. The same use of the Pro to begin the rounding of the wall is shown here from in front using a hoof stand to steady the hoof. You can see that the Pro, like the white original, works effectively in either hand or both, allowing you to round the entire hoof from one side of the leg. Once the Pro has begun the wall rounding, the white original is applied to smoothly complete it. You can hear the softer shaving action of the original's perforated blade. After using the two Radius Rasps to form the Mustang roll, the Hoof Buffer Contour Sander blends all aspects of it into a uniform, smooth surface that most effectively resists flaring and cracking. Here again is the Pro's aggressive beginning of the wall rounding. Working from heel to toe gives you the best leverage. Supporting rear hooves on a hoof stand with a cradle makes using the Pro even easier. The Pro blade has three aspects. The lower edge is used to round the outer surface of the hoof. Then the mid-section of the blade is used to round the bottom of the wall. And the upper edge of the blade is applied to the inner sole aspect of the wall. Here again you see the three parts of the blade applied separately to different aspects of the hoof wall. First, to begin the arc along the outer surface of the wall, then using the midsection of the blade to round the bottom aspect of the wall, and finally the inner edge of the blade is used on the sole aspect of the wall. Like the original, the Black Pro has a powerful magnet inside, which securely attaches it to any steel surface, keeping it in easy reach on your hoof stand. Together, the Pro, the original Radius Rasp, and the Hoof Buffer enable you to develop the healthiest, toughest barefoot hooves that nature has made possible. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. As with the Radius Rasp original, the Pro blade is easily replaced in its tough plastic handle. Just wrap the Pro handle in a piece of cloth or cardboard and secure it in a vise with the closed ends of the blade grooves facing upward. Next, take a hammer and a screwdriver and tap the flat end of the blade to drive it out of the handle. To install a new blade, carefully insert the flat end of the blade into the open ends of the blade grooves. Then press firmly until the blade slides into the handle. To fully insert and seat the blade, you may have to push the rounded front end of the blade against a hard surface like a board. The blade is fully seated when its corners meet the curved ends of the blade grooves. So, welcome to the new world of specially designed barefoot hoof care tools, brought to you by Evolutionary Hoof Care.